Hi, welcome to Azzadous Studios. In this video I'm going to be showing you how I approach making a beat in Ableton. For this video I'm going to be mainly using the Cymatics Diamonds 2 sample pack. Check them out if you haven't already because they have some really good sample packs available. The reason for using the same pack, or trying to use the same pack, is just so that it's easy to follow along with if you want to go and grab the pack, or if you've got your own samples then you can still follow along. Just when I choose which samples I want, you choose the samples you like. So to start off with, I'm going to grab a drum rack and we're going to look for some samples. So inside your sample pack, or whichever sample packs you want to use, we want to first of all find a kick. Now usually I'd have a quick look through, see what sounds nice. I quite like the sound of this D sharp kick 8, so I'm going to drag that into C1. Now we want a snare, so just to keep it easy and all in the same pitch, I'm just going to check out the snare 8, which sounds nice enough, so we're just going to use that for now. Now we want some hi-hats, closed hi-hats. I like that one. That one sounds nice as well, so we'll just grab them two for now. A couple of open hi-hats. Four and five sound nice. Grab a ride. Two sounds nice. A clap. Fourteen's nice, not too much. I'm going to be using the clap just to add a little bit of ghost notes, sort of a bit more rhythm to it. And now I'm going to choose some percussion. That's quite nice. The percussion I'm just going to use to fill out the beat. That might be nice. That's okay. That one. We'll check that one out as well. So we're going to create a beat. And first of all, I'm just going to highlight a section, maybe 2 bars. You can either right click and click on insert MIDI clip, or press Ctrl Shift and M, which will create the MIDI clip for you. First of all, I'm just going to put my actually I'll start with the snares, because I usually keep the snares in the same place, at least starting out anyway. So I'm going to put the snare on every second beat. And then the kick, I'm going to put one on the first beat, on the third beat, or at the start of the second bar, and the second kick we're going to stagger, so I'll put it on the half beat and do the same on this side. And that just creates a more you know, bit of a skanky sort of, that sort of hip-hop vibe. So hi-hats. So I'm just going to start by putting hi-hats in between the kicks and the snares. So where's this clap? The clap I'm going to put after this snare. Sorry, after the hi-hat there, we've got the snare there. We're going to fill it out a little bit more with some more hi-hats. So where we don't have a hi-hat, like say on top of the kicks, I'm going to try this other hi-hat. Try it there on top of these snares. Basically just filling out where we don't have hi-hats already. I'm going to put a couple of snares, claps at the end, maybe just one, or another one there. That's a bit too quick. Yeah, that's okay. So open hi-hats. Let's just try putting one in. What I'm going to do with the open hi-hat, for both of them, I'm going to change them from trigger to gate. So what that does is when it's on trigger, it'll play the whole sample no matter how long the MIDI clip is. If you change it to gate, it'll only play the sample for as long as the MIDI clip is, for as long as the note is in the MIDI clip. So you can get some shorter sounds. I'm going to do that for both open hi-hats. So I can cut it down like that. I'm going to try and copy a bit too much there. That should be okay for now, because we're going to use the other open hi-hat to fill it out a little bit more. So I'm just going to copy those two over. I'm going to put a few more kicks in, so I turn these open hi-hats down a little bit using the volumes at the bottom. Get rid of that last one. So I'm going to turn this kick down as more of a ghost kick. Maybe duplicate that kick. I'm going to try and double up the hi-hats at the end and halfway through, just to get a bit more of a skippy sound, a bit of a quick. So I'm going to do a nice quick hi-hat roll at the end. Now I'm going to stick some percussion in. So I'm going to try and fill out the gaps a little bit. We've got a gap here, so I'm going to try and find a nice bit of percussion. On that sample, I'm going to change that to a gate as well, so we just get a little bit of it. Maybe cut it down. Turn it down a little bit. I'm going to try and get another one, but on the offbeat. See how we'll get that. See if we can get that sounding nice. It sounds quite bad at the moment. We'll turn it down though. Maybe change the sound. Try turning that sample down. Now I'm going to try putting the ride in. Again with the ride, I'm going to change that over to the gate. Copy that over to the second half. Turn it down a bit. Right, I'm going to leave it there for today. In the next video, I'm going to add an 808 to the kick to fatten it up a bit, and start playing about with some ideas for melodies, some backing pads, stuff like that. So thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.